What's up, YouTube? Today I'm gonna show you guys the process of me working on the frame right now. I'm gonna clean it up, see if I could paint it, get it done within like the next 3 hours. The frame's already good because I cleaned up a lot, a lot. I got the frame rail here. Back there, I haven't opened it. I think that's the only box I haven't opened yet. But look, the frame is cleaned. I cleaned all of it, like a lot. So how it was the first time, the inside I cleaned it. Got the gas mask right here. It's a little dirty on the inside. I'm gonna clean it. Battery just died, so the air compressor, just move it. So I'm just gonna trial and error. See, this one I'm gonna paint. I'm gonna paint it without cleaning it. The next side I'm gonna paint it and clean it. See, because next week, probably when I'll be done Monday, the lower control arm comes in. I don't know about the shocks. The shocks haven't come in, so I'm just gonna like trial and error, see how the difference between the paint from here now to a week until I could actually frame everything, clean everything. So right now I'm just gonna do the top and the bottom side. Alright, we're back, guys. Look, I ended up not filming, but I ended up picking up my friend. But look, he actually hurt himself trying to take this out. But I know it's gonna like get dirty again, so I'm just trying to stop like the surface rust from like spreading a lot. But look, we cleaned out a lot. We did this. The inside we're doing this. I actually do have to clean the under of the frame, so look at that. Under the frame is still missing a lot. So yeah, and this is still fresh. The paint's still fresh. You can see it. But yeah, I painted. We sanded it down, everything. It was just a light coat, and then look what came out from there. All of that came out. I think that's like a dead rat or something. But yeah, it's coming out nice. Coming nice. So this will be the first coat, actually, the first coat. So the only thing I'm missing to complete the truck and drive it is control arm and shock. And I need one more bolt for the upper control arm. So I'm gonna do a montage, show everything what I've done. Okay. Torch you there, and I'll see you guys later. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for next content. I'm gonna finish grinding the frame, make another video on that. It's part 2. This would be part 1. Part 2, I'm gonna upload a video on how to put the suspension in, how to remove the lower control arm, because I have to take the torsion bar out. I hope you guys enjoy. Like and subscribe.